The 1987 Chrysler Lamborghini Portofino was a groundbreaking concept car that represented a rare fusion between Italian supercar artistry and American industrial design. Its creation followed Chrysler's acquisition of Lamborghini in 1987, and it became a symbol of how design innovation could bridge two very different automotive cultures. The Portofino was designed by Kevin Verduyn, one of Chrysler's chief designers, who had originally conceived a similar idea called the Chrysler Navajo in 1986. After the Lamborghini takeover, the Navajo's form was refined and transformed into the Portofino concept. The car debuted at the 1987 Frankfurt Auto Show, where it drew immediate attention for its futuristic proportions and radical door design. Built by Carrozzeria Coggiola in Turin, Italy, the Portofino was based on a lengthened Lamborghini Jalpa chassis, featuring a mid-mounted 3.5-liter V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. The engine produced around 225 horsepower and could reach 7,000 revolutions per minute. The car's unique 4 scissor doors, 2 opening forward like the Countach and 2 rearward, created a pillarless cabin that emphasized the design's innovation. The Portofino achieved an impressive aerodynamic coefficient of 0.25, combining performance engineering with avant-garde aesthetics. Inside, the Portofino showcased 3 shades of blue leather with yellow accents. A large central console divided the cabin, enhancing rigidity and comfort while giving passengers a cockpit-like experience. The dashboard's layout would later inspire the design of the Lamborghini Diablo, developed around the same period. One of the most distinctive features was the custom hood badge, merging Lamborghini's bull emblem with Chrysler's Pentastar, symbolizing the union of the two companies. Though only one prototype, chassis LC0001, was ever built, its influence was immense. The Portofino's cab-forward architecture, wide stance, and sleek silhouette directly inspired Chrysler's LH platform vehicles of the 1990s, including the Dodge Intrepid, Chrysler Concorde, and Eagle Vision. The prototype was damaged in a transporter accident in 1991, but Chrysler restored it at a cost of $300,000. Today, it remains preserved at Chrysler's headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, and has been exhibited in museums such as the Detroit Institute of Arts. The Portofino stands as a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, an Italian dream car with an American soul.